workshops aims to encourage in-depth interaction of attendees in a specific robotic sub-area, such as planning and control, soft robotics, humanoid robotics, and etc. Most workshops at IROS 2025 are half-day events, and they consist of invited talks, short papers, poster presentations, panels, and other interactive activities. Our goal is to promote conversations on cutting-edge topics that are relevant and important for the robotics community. Speakers are not limited to present work related to one particular paper. Rather, they can summarize a body of recent research with the goal of conveying key messages.
So we're always searching for speakers and ideas that go above and beyond what we know from the state of the art.
Workshops usually focus on specific research areas or topics, making them highly relevant to our own research. We offer a unique opportunity to directly engage with peers worldwide who are working in similar fields.
At IROS 2025, I will be organizing and leading a workshop on deformable object manipulation by robotics in collaboration with Professor Jihong Zhu from York University, Professor Xiang Li from Tsinghua University. At IROS 2024 in Japan, I attended the human-robot co-manipulation workshop organized by Professor Jihong Zhu. It left a deep impression on me and inspired me to consider organizing a workshop in the future. During ICRA, I was also honored to be selected for the New Generation STAR project alongside Professor Xiang Li. With our shared research interest in deformable object manipulation, we had discussions on the topic, and it laid the foundation for this workshop collaboration. By organizing a workshop at the prestigious International Robotics Conference like IROS, I believe it will greatly contribute to fostering potential international collaborations in the future.
It should be a great experience for a PhD student. We should have the experience to organize a workshop. We know how to organize such an event. We know how to organize the topics, organize the speakers and the submission. I think it should be a great and necessary experience for a PhD student.
What are the key points for drafting a workshop proposal? Detailed guidelines on drafting a workshop proposal are provided in the proposal call, including proposal templates, important dates, evaluation criteria, etc. Please read carefully and follow these guidelines. Workshop organizers should introduce a focus area, explain the novelty and impact, and describe the intended format of the proposed workshop. High-quality talks are the key elements of a successful workshop. Therefore, workshop organizers need to devote a significant amount of time to inviting and confirming speakers before drafting a workshop proposal. Finally, workshop organizers are required to create a workshop website at the time of submission. Each proposal submission will be reviewed by experts in the relevant technical committees based on the evaluation criteria. The conference organizing committee will make final decisions based on a balance of topics, coverage, and available space.
There are important considerations during the workshop application process for IROS 2025, such as we strongly encourage interaction between speakers and attendees. We strongly value the diversity of organizers and attendees. We also strongly encourage organizing teams to consist of researchers from different countries, genders, and career stages. On the other hand, we value dissemination plans, where the talks and presenting materials can be shared with the attendees and the community in large. Finally, please note that no TC support letters are allowed this year.
Welcome to submit proposals of workshop and tutorials for IROS 2025.